My husband thought I was nuts when I told him what Dr. Sugg has suggested, but I said, do you want me to be happy? Do you want me to enjoy living? Because right now I wasn't. It was worth it, every penny. Dr. Sugg has changed my life.
Mary Schaefer is talking about her dentist, Dr. Harry Sugg. When it comes to general and cosmetic dentistry, he can do it all, from filling a cavity to replacing a missing tooth. But what he did for Mary Schaefer and others like her is much more spectacular. He dramatically improved her quality of life. Dr. Sugg is one of only a handful of dentists in Texas who specializes in neuromuscular dentistry. Simply put, neuromuscular dentistry places the jaw into its optimal position, alleviating a number of painful symptoms.
A person's bite affects so much of their head and neck pains. It affects their speech. It affects the way they chew. It probably affects 90% of all the head and neck pains that people endure. They even refer to them sometimes as sinus headaches, and they're not sinus headaches. Even right down to low back pains, tingling in people's hands. And people don't in any way associate tingling in their hands with their teeth. When their bite becomes far off, these symptoms become greater and greater. And they can start at a very early age, and they don't ordinarily get better, they get progressively worse. We see people, they say, you know, if I thought that I had to live for the next 30 years just like I am right now, I'd just soon not live. They will go to their ear, nose, and throat. They will go to their neurologist, none of which solve the problem. They can help alleviate it with pain medication. They're usually addressing the symptoms. You're not addressing the cause of the symptoms.
So how do you address a misaligned jaw? Dr. Sugg says there are a number of options depending on the severity of the problem. Treatments include custom orthotics, orthodontics, crowns, bridges, and full mouth reconstruction. The result?
Once they're comfortable, their whole lifestyle changes. Everything gets better for them.
I wish I'd known about this maybe 20 years ago, because I went through a lot of pain, and one of the biggest things, my self-esteem, it affects you in many aspects of your life. And now I smile more. My family tells me I look younger. I feel great.
I feel really great now. It's a miracle for me. If I had to trade my husband in, he would be my new husband. I will never go anywhere else. I love Dr. Sugg.